Ke Smart Village Movement ringkat ke jingat relang bat ke company Clearbot na Bangalore hinin ke sengi ke apsan terik menai lar arjar arpulai kalau pelong ya ke jing pen i halor ke mesin ling ban Pynkhuid ya ke Jaboh na kawa Umiam. Usidhat Gupta bat Utkash Goyal ki badai ki nongseng jangkani ke company Clearbot kilai tu bekilawan ban pen i ya ke rukam terekam kini ke mesin ling ke batong bat Pynkhuid ya ki nyut ki nyer klem don kam ban penon kam da ke bor beriu hendrai tang do remote control ha ke balak bantong Jaboh kumbashi spa kilo shisngi.
ऐसे आगे भी ऐसे ही है
It's full now.
Yeah, it's almost full now.
So you'll have to
We are just removing it. We've already taken out 5 bags.
5 bags. Look now. उसके बगल में
Long mà điên. Hả?
Hello, Baba. Did you meet Tudanam there? Did you meet my other teammates there?
Yeah.
Okay.
I left my helmet, my jacket there.
Okay.
Can you bring that thing or we go that side?
I can turn it around. At around 50 to 60 kgs in like 30 minutes.
Oh.
Yeah, and you see, doesn't seem to end.
But these are only the floating ones, right?
This is only the floating ones. Yeah.
Can't imagine what's there underneath, yeah?
Underneath, yeah.
How long have you been doing this here?
Actually, we've been running this business like as a startup for about 3 years now.
Okay.
Yeah, and this robot was built about 2 years ago. This design, and now we've been running it across the world. This is the first time we are here in Meghalaya.
So, how many bots do you have?
This one, we have about 12 more robots.
So yes, just this one is what you're now.
This same design. Yeah. That's all. You open it from here. Sit here.
So how do you run it? I mean, is it fueled
Fully electric.
electric?
Yeah. These cabins that you're seeing now, they're all batteries.
Okay.
So you can take all of this out and there's a battery underneath. And this is the charging port. Where is it? We plug the charging here and it just charges the robot up.
How long does it run then?
This runs for about 4 hours.
So then you have to recharge.
Yeah, in one full charge it runs for 4 hours and then we put it on charging. It charges for another 4 hours to run for another 4 hours. And it can be fully solar powered. So we connect like solar panels to it.
So this is going on a pilot project, so to say now?
Yeah, right now we are here for a pilot project. We got here on Monday actually.
Okay.
And since Monday we've been cleaning every day. So you'll see that there's like a pile of trash on the shore back there as well. We've been collecting it every day. So in total I think we have quite a bit. We've got the weighing scale to measure it today. It's the last day.
How's the rubbish like?
Oh man. It's fun to take it out, I guess. There's all sorts of things like, of course all these Tetra packs and all, but also like shoes, slippers, bottles.
And now you will be heading back to fishing down?
Yeah, we'll be heading back to where we parked this boat. It's a little bit down the road.
Kirsch. I'm Siddhant. We are the co-founders of Clearbot. We have a company where we make unmanned boats that are able to clean garbage out of the water.
Okay. And what is exactly that you all are doing here? If you can tell us more about that.
Sure. Today we are here in Shillong in Umiam Lake, and as you can see behind me, it's quite dirty. So today we've got our robot, which is driving around and collecting the garbage out of the water.
Okay. And do you think, firstly, can you tell us more about Clearbot, this machine or this robot that you've all invented? What's the capacity of collecting waste and more about that?
Sure. So the current version that's here today, it can pick up 200 kgs in weight and about 1 cubic meter in volume. And actually we have bigger versions that can do even more amount if required. And the machine can work either in radio control mode and can be operated by anybody, or it can work in autonomous mode where we set the GPS location and it can clean on its own.
And it runs fully electric, so it doesn't burn any kind of fuel. Right? And we can run it for about 4 hours on a daily basis. And it collects about 200 kgs in its full capacity in terms of the waste.
Looking at the waste here, Clearbots will be required to clear up the waste here.
We actually have a bigger version of the boat, and I think with just one boat in a few months, we can actually clear this space up. But of course, if we have more boats, it's always faster.
Yeah,
right?
so I was saying the more boats, the better. I guess it's kind of endless, but we propose, hey, have 5 to 10 boats and clean this up as quickly.
Okay. And can you tell us, this robot has been used firstly where, if you can tell us more about that?
Actually, this robot is being built in Bangalore, in India. And we started in India the first time usage in Bangalore. And we're also using it outside India. So for example, in Hong Kong, there's a fleet of boats, multiple boats there. And in Bangalore, we've piloted in Banaras, in Varanasi before, and also in Kerala before. So, but this is our first time in the Northeast. And this is very new technology that we're bringing here and hopefully able to help the water condition here.
This is your first experience cleaning up such waste like this, or can you tell us your experience?
I think this is the first time, we came here on Monday to scout the site. I was visibly shook by the amount of waste here. But since Wednesday, we've been coming every day to clean this up. And I think this is the first time we've had to deal with so much waste, but we've also built our machines to deal with it. So I hope this pilot sort of satisfies all of the local authorities that this robot is a feasible solution.
Okay. Anything else that you would like to say?
We are able to have a robot in Shillong and clean up the lake. I hope the government and the public will support us in our mission.
Thank you.
Thank you.